When the youths wakitokea kwa barabara kuandamana kwa sababu the education system is not working, they are doing that on behalf of their parents. Sio vijana ambao wanalipa school fees, ni wazazi wao. Kwa hivyo wakati wa vijana wanatokea kwa barabara kuandamana, wanaandamana on behalf of their parents because they feel and understand the pain ambayo wazazi wao wanasikia wakati ambao wanalipa school fees, lakini mtoto hawezi kusoma.
And we must seek justice. Kwanza wenye tunaenda kuingia, mjue tuko na watu wengi sana wa kufunga. Watu hawaendi sijui Sugoi na Bondo, watu wanaenda jela. We are done playing with our country, we are done with you playing with our future. So this party we are joining, we want confident people that we will stand in government, in bunge very soon, and we will prosecute some of you. Nyinyi mko kwenje with reckless words saying you will steal. How would you stand and say that you will steal our votes? Nyinyi hamtujui. Tutakuja huko tutalala na kura zetu na tuzihesabu kila mmoja.
We feel sad that on 25th we'll be celebrating the young heroes who died when they were trying to exercise their democracy, when they were trying to express their displeasure with the government. So we ask the government, one, to apologize, to offer national apology to all the Gen Zs, to their parents and the country at large, because it is not right to kill a person. It's not right to take away life when someone is trying to express him or herself. Secondly, all families that were affected, the government needs to compensate them, because these people cried. We know the Gen Zs that lost their lives, they will never come back again. So let the government be able to compensate their parents.
Let those people who are presidential adorers know that every time they are speaking, they are making the president lose every other remaining vote. Because the time you don't want to guarantee this country peace, then we are seeing like they just want to take us to what was there during the 2000 general election.